Hi everyone, welcome to What to Read Wednesday. The books that I'm going to share with you today all have to do with Thanksgiving, since that's right around the corner. And the first three books that I selected are books that are legends that have to do with Native American groups, which are great ways that you can teach about a legend. I know a lot of state standards, the kids need to learn what legends are versus fables. So this is a great thing that you can bring into the classroom for this time of year. They're a series of 3 books. And the first one is called Quill Worker, a Cheyenne legend. So this is a legend about the Cheyenne tribe. The other book that I have is Turquoise Boy, which is a Navajo legend. So it touches on the Navajo Indians. And then the last one in this series is Dancing Drum, which is a Cherokee legend. And so all 3 of these, what you could do is you can teach the kids what are the components that make a legend. You can talk all about legends. You can work on lots of vocabulary words with these 3 stories, and you can take them and tie them into your social studies unit. So these are great books that you can grab for this upcoming Thanksgiving season to teach about legends and Native Americans. The other 2 books I want to share with you are just about the Pilgrims. So this first one is called Sarah Morton's Day. It's a day in the life of the Pilgrim girl. And what I like about this is it's nonfiction, so it's giving kids information on what it was like to be a young pilgrim during that time. And they use actual photos, so it's real photographs of kids. And they also have taken pictures using the Plymouth Plantation back east as their pictures. So it kind of talks about what the village looked like. It talked about how all the steps that a child would have to go through to get all their clothes on. It's very different than today where you throw on some pants and a shirt. These are all the different steps and pieces of clothing that they needed to wear. It goes through all the chores the different kids had to do. So it's a non-fiction story, and it's being told through a girl. So it's really like a piece of historical fiction. So kids can get an idea with a lot of pictures of what it was like to live during that time. And then the last book that I like to share with you is from this series, and I'm sure a lot of you have used these books, If You Sailed on the Mayflower. And this is a great book. It gives all different factual information, and it will start off by giving a question. So, what were the first laws the Pilgrims ever made when they left the ship? Where would you sleep if you were on the Mayflower? And it gives lots of detailed information. There are great vocabulary words in this book. This is a whole series. You can find books for all different seasons through this series. But this one is If You Sailed on the Mayflower in 1620. And it's a great book to, again, get a lot of information, factual information about what it was like coming over on the Mayflower. So I hope you enjoy these books, take them into your classroom, and have lots of learning with all of the kids. So until next time, I will see you next time for What to Read Wednesday. Have a fantastic day.